Ethics in public administration serves as the foundational moral compass for governance, transforming it from a mechanical, technical process into a trustworthy, humane endeavor. It encompasses the application of ethical principles, integrity, fairness, honesty, and accountability in the daily actions of public officials and institutions. In a modern democracy, ethics is not merely about adhering to rules but about exercising discretion in the public interest, bridging the gap between personal morality and professional responsibility. The role of ethics in ensuring transparency, accountability, and integrity is central to maintaining public trust and fostering effective, legitimate governance. 1. Ethics and the promotion of transparency. Transparency refers to the openness of government operations, allowing public scrutiny. Ethics enables transparency by creating a culture where information is treated as a public good rather than a tool for power. 1. Preventing secretive decision-making. Ethical public servants adhere to principles of openness, ensuring that citizens can track how public decisions are made. 2. Enabling accountability through information. By promoting policies like the right to information, RTI, ethical administration empowers citizens, allowing them to verify compliance with laws. And 3. Balancing public trust and confidentiality. Ethical frameworks help officials navigate dilemmas where excessive transparency might clash with privacy, ensuring the right information is disclosed to the public without jeopardizing security. 2. Ethics in the enforcement of accountability. Accountability ensures that public servants are answerable for their actions, decisions, and outcomes. Ethics is the engine that drives this accountability beyond mere legal compliance. 1. Cultivating responsibility. Ethics transforms accountability from external policing to internal, self-imposed responsibility, ensuring that officials care about the consequences of their actions. 2. Preventing abuse of power. When public officials operate within a strict ethical code, they are less likely to misinterpret rules for personal benefit, ensuring that power is used for public service rather than private gain. And 3. Enabling internal controls. Ethical leadership in culture establish mechanisms, such as ombudsman offices and public grievance redressal systems, that allow for swift corrective action when failures occur. 3. Ethics and the maintenance of integrity. Integrity implies consistency between actions and values, specifically the dedication to public service over personal interests. It is the core of ethical behavior. 1. Resisting corruption and bribery. A commitment to integrity ensures that public servants uphold high professional standards, making them resilient against the temptation of bribes or political pressure. 2. Objectivity in decision-making. Ethics in public administration dictates that decisions must be made on merit, free from favoritism, nepotism, or bias, thus fostering fair and equitable governance. And 3. Ethical leadership. Integrity is best maintained when leaders act as role models, fostering an organizational culture where honesty is rewarded and unethical behavior is condemned. 4. Components of ethical public administration. To ensure these principles, several ethical mechanisms are necessary. 1. Code of ethics and conduct. Formalizing the values of integrity, accountability, and objectivity helps guide behavior. 2. Training and education. Regular training equips public servants with the skills to navigate complex ethical dilemmas. 3. Whistleblower protection. Safeguarding those who report corruption encourages an honest workplace and prevents systemic misconduct. And 4. Independent oversight bodies. Agencies like the Central Vigilance Commission or an ombudsman hold officials accountable for their actions. 5. Challenges in upholding ethics. Despite the importance of ethics, maintaining high standards faces several obstacles. 1. Conflicts of interest. Navigating personal interests against professional obligations can create ethical dilemmas. 2. Political pressure. Public servants often face pressure to take actions that are lawful but ethically questionable. And 3. Bureaucratic inertia. A deeply rooted culture of routine, rather than outcome-oriented, service can resist change and ethical reform. Conclusion. Ethics is the cornerstone of effective public administration, ensuring that bureaucracy remains a tool for service rather than a mechanism for exploitation. By promoting transparency, enforcing accountability, and fostering integrity, ethics bridges the gap between the government and its citizens, cementing the social contract. A truly ethical public administration creates trust, which is the foundational currency of all successful governance. Without ethics, governance becomes mechanical, predatory, and ultimately illegitimate.